Hey guys, and we're going to be testing all the smoke detectors in the house. We'll test mine first. Be prepared for loud noises.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
Alright, that was my room. Now I'll head on to Melody's, my sister's. Okay, here we go.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
Alright, that was my sister's room. Now I'll head on to my brother's room. And I have two brothers, but only one has a smoke detector. Alright, smoke detector numero tres. This is my brother's room.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
It just blinked twice, but I hope that's a good thing. This one's kind of weird. I don't know why though. And our final one is this. 3, 2, 1. I'm setting it off. Well, this one.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
Alright,